Hey guys, welcome back to 1 Minute Eats, where I show you super quick videos about how to make your favorite food. Today we're going to be making barbecue chicken Hawaiian style pizza, and it's a super easy recipe. Let's get started. So let's start by taking warm water and adding 2 tablespoons of sugar and mixing it up, then adding 1 teaspoon of yeast and letting it sit for 10 minutes. Let's put in flour to a large bowl. Now let's add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Pour in your active dry yeast mixture and then stir it up. The dough is going to be sticky, but that's completely fine. I added olive oil to the pan so that it won't stick too much, and now I'm going to cover it and let it sit for 1 hour. Now let's move on to our chicken breast. We're going to cut it into small pieces, add it to a bowl, and then we're going to add a bunch of spices. Now I'm going to heat up the pan to medium heat and cook the chicken for about 12 minutes until it's white in the center. Now we can spread the dough in whatever shape you like and then begin adding our barbecue sauce. Let's sprinkle our cheese on top and then add the rest of our toppings for our barbecue chicken pizza. And now I'm going to cut it into little squares, and our barbecue chicken pizza Hawaiian style is ready. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for the next video on 1 Minute Eats.